Well, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is KITT, KITT, and yeah, overall it's 5.76%. So it's sitting at $5.76. All right, this is the weekly time frame. We do see that this is just does not look right. Like we were just trading at $10 right here. I don't know what was going on here. It's from 2021, just the same pace. I don't know what the hell happened there. Maybe we were just moving super slow. But right now, KITT or Nauticus Robotics is just down. So daily time frame, I do see breaks up there. Then I do see a break here coming from somewhere around here and here. So more like than not, we're just going to see this continue to go lower. That's not the case, a little bit higher. But yeah, this is my opinion. Obviously, not financial advice. I'm looking for the lows to get cleared out just because of the bearishness. I would love to be proven wrong, but again, this is just my own opinion, not financial advice. See you.